how you doing? Blessings in the name of the Lord, yeah? Yeah, always good and lovely to see families, yeah? Alright, cheers. Oh, little baby. Hello there. Could I have a word with you, please? You're here to preach about the love of the Lord, yeah? How are you today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Wonderful, wonderful. Really hot day, ain't it? I'm looking for a young man by the name of Jermaine Barbasing. Kind of Indian-looking fellow.
Jermaine Baba who? Jermaine who? I don't know about the name, sir.
Yeah, it's a funny name, eh? He goes by the alias, his friends call him a Chopper. Yes, Chopper.
Choppy? Chopper? The last one me know him Choppy. Yes, then chop him up dead. We find him dead, so I don't know. I don't know nobody name saying that, to be honest. I don't know.
Dead. That's so sad. But thanks anyway. But could I interest you in a magazine about the love of the Lord, yeah?
After you ask me all these questions, you come again with magazine? No, sir, I'm busy. I am busy. Have a good day.
Alright, but thanks for your help though. And may the Lord bless and keep you. Alright. Sir? How you doing, ma'am? Alright. I hope your day is going fine. Alright, I'm from the Church of England, yeah? And I'm looking for a fella by the name of Jermaine Barbasing. You know him? His friends call him a Chopper.
Chopper? Oh, sir, the blood of Jesus again, Chopper.
Could I interest you in a magazine talking about the Lord, yeah?
I'm okay, I'm just fine.
Alright, cheers.
Yeah man, butcher, circle if you get one talk, you know, you see?
Yeah, so
I don't know, say me and Ashley have a one caliber one jack. You see? But yeah, what I think? Promise herself she do well in her grades, you see me? That's school turn, and I make she buy the tune and I tell you bro, I get the report. And it's a jar, you see me? The grades them up there bro. I just have a promise them I want fulfill for her see you see me?
Oh, yeah, I said, Maker. Like how that sound. You them in the future, you know. So when I share a good future. It's like how you promise her to bring her come right there, so bro. I want you to do that. I want to hear the song. I sure want to hear the song. What is share more lyrics than you?
Might bother him for real, you know. But I really think, man, we endorse it, because sometimes people go like music is not a thing, like, it's a future, like, it's a part of art form, you see it, so do the right thing, man, you see it.
Yeah man, you like how our grades up, this not going to be a distraction for you, you see me? So I just make sure you know, so just keep our grades up there and do the right thing, and I'm going to always make sure you visit the studio from now, you see me?
Yo, it Maker. My brother know already, man. So, like how you mentioned the data and everything. Now play it, make it hear it. And yo, tell me if you like it, we can work it out.